So we got Amazon stickers, 200 stickers for $10 or $10.99, whatever it is, I can't remember. But 200 skate brand stickers, I thought it was a pretty good deal. Stickers are expensive. So let's open them up and see. So one thing I'm gonna be judging is quality, if they're good quality stickers, if they're shitty stickers. Let's see, I see a Creature in there, Santa Cruz. Yeah, they're kind of soft actually. Truck Fit, shout out Wheezy. Zero, fuck you pussy, you get it? Vans Off the Wall, Panda Style. Pau Peralta, I guess. Is that Pau Peralta? Santa Cruz, Blind, Diamond, Spitfire, Dark Star, Pau Peralta, Rip Grit, and Eyeball, I forget what that is. Element, Classic, Independent, Classic, Spitfire, Classic. All classic stickers, Thrasher. We're gonna take this Pentagram one and we're gonna fucking rip it up because that's corny and the devil's a bitch. We're gonna throw that. Okay. Blind, Spitfire, Toy Machine. All classic stickers, Vans Off the Wall, classic sticker. So yeah, I think it's safe to say they're pretty good quality. I think it's safe to say that it's worth $11. If you own a skate park, you could probably sell these for like $1 a piece. If you own a skate park, so, or whatever, even if you just want to sticker slap shit and decorate your local skate park. So I think pretty good deal overall. I don't think I have to open up this next one. I'm not sure if every pack comes with the same stickers, but those are the stickers I got. So I think, let me grab my board. I think I'm gonna get this. So I think for now, ooh, trash, that's dope. For now, I think I'm gonna slap the classic Spitfire OG. Put this bad boy on there. Stick them up here. Just like that. Nice! Alright, so that's good for now. We'll put the rest away. Tighten these up a little bit. Sticker works good. I feel like I'm really taking all the impact way too hard.
Probably police.
don't like that one. One more. Ah, I don't like that one either. That's all the tricks I got for you tonight. Make sure you subscribe.